Welcome back. So first of all, thank you so much for watching my videos and thank you so much for your support. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about a new topic, that is test of divisibility. Okay, when we talk about test of divisibility, mainly questions based on progression, arithmetic progression, geometric progressions. All these progressions are very common in almost every competitive exams. Okay, so I have some of the important questions today. We will be solving those questions one by one. Okay, so let us go to the first question. So here is your first question. So all these questions are selected from the topic test of divisibility. So the question number 1 is, the number of natural numbers divisible by 5 between 1 and 1000 are. The number which are divisible by 5 falls between 1 and 1000. So what actually we need to find out? Between 1 and 1000 there are many numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 999 and 1000, but all the numbers are not divisible by 5. So how many numbers are there which are divisible by 5? That is what we need to find out. So it is purely a question based on arithmetic progression. And if you are new to that topic, arithmetic progression, and if you don't have any maths background students, I'll give you the direct formula where you can use this direct formula for questions like this. Okay, so arithmetic progression, these are questions based on arithmetic progression. Okay, so here the first number that is divisible by 5, 1 2 3 4, these all are the numbers not divisible by 5. So I can say the first number divisible by 5 will be 5. Between 1 and 1000, between 1 and 1000, so between 1 and 1000 we can take from 2 to 999. So 999 is not a number which is divisible by 5. Before that, 998, 997, 996, these all are not the numbers divisible by 5. So the last number between 1 and 1000 which is divisible by 5 is 995. So here the last number which is divisible by 5 is 995. So these all are the numbers. It starts from 5 and the last number will be 995. So we can say 5 is the first number, then 10, then 15, and it goes up to last, and 995 is the last number which is divisible by 5. This sequence, it forms an arithmetic progression. This sequence is a AP. This is an arithmetic progression. Here we have the first number 5, that is A. A is equal to 5, and the last term, nth term, we don't know how many numbers are there between these. So we will take n numbers. The last term number n is 995, and the difference between all these numbers, here also 5, here also 5, here also 5, here also 5, the difference between all these numbers, that is difference D, is equal to 5. Understand this concept very clearly. If you have A, D and Tn, you can find out how many numbers n are there, how many numbers are there. This method is the test of divisibility using arithmetic progression. Now we will be solving this question. Understand the concept very clearly. Once you are clear with the concept, you can easily crack all these type of questions. Okay, these all are simple questions based on arithmetic progression, and which are very common in almost every competitive exams like SSC, IBPS. You will find these type of questions very often. Okay, so we need to find out this form A, D and Tn, so you can find out n. What is A? A is the first term. What is the first term? Between 1 and 1000, we have to find out how many numbers are divisible by 5. So the first number which is divisible by 5 is 5. So we have taken the first number, that is A. A is equal to 5, and it is divisibility by 5. So divisibility by 5 means it is a multiplication table of 5. So after 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, it goes like that. So the difference between all these numbers will be 5. So D is 5. And the last number, nth term is 995. So we need to find out how many numbers are there. From 5 to 995, how many numbers are there which are divisible by 5? Now let us solve it. To solve this, we have a formula. Understand that very clearly. Here, let me write. We got A is equal to 5 and we got Tn, the last term, is equal to 995, and we got the difference is D is equal to 5. We need to find out number of terms. How many numbers are there? N we need to find out. So we have a very important formula, students, here. Understand that formula very clearly. This formula is from arithmetic progression. That is, we have Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. You can note this formula, pause this video and note this formula. This one formula will give you at least 5 very important questions in your competitive exams. At least 5 questions based on this formula. Very, very important formula. Okay, so Tn we got already. Tn is how much? 995. A plus A is 5 plus N minus 1 into D. D already we have 5. Now we can solve it. 5 plus N minus 5. 5N minus 5 is equal to 995. So this minus 5 and plus 5 you can cancel here itself. 5N is equal to 995. We have 5N is equal to 995. So what will be N? N will be equal to, you can cut this 5 and this 9 one time, 49, 45 9 times, again 45 9 times. So 199 numbers are there between 1 and 1000 which are divisible by 5. Between 1 and 1000 there are 199 numbers. Which are the numbers? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, like that it goes up to 995. So there are 199 numbers which are divisible by 5. Very, very important formula. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Not this formula. And once you understand the concept of this formula, you need not to write all these things. Directly you can put it in the formula and you can find the answer. Any number divisibility by 7 means that D will become 7. Divisibility by 5, this particular question, so that is why we have taken D is equal to 5. Divisibility by 8, so we will get D is equal to 8. So accordingly it goes. Okay, so let us go to the next question. Before that, kindly note it. There are two numbers such that sum of twice the first and thrice the second is 18, while sum of thrice the first and twice the second is 17. Find the larger of the two numbers. Let us take the two numbers like x and y. So what is given? Twice the first and thrice the second together we have 18. Thrice the first and twice the second we have 17. We need to find out the larger number out of these two. So again, let us take the numbers x and y. Here two words, twice and thrice. These are common words in the competitive exam questions. Okay, let us understand what is that. Twice the number, twice means 2 times and thrice means 3 times. So twice, thrice, all these are common words. Okay, so twice means 2 times and thrice means 3 times. What is given in the question? In the question, there are two numbers such that twice the first and thrice the second is equal to 18. Twice the first, that means 2 times of the first number and 3 times of the second number, 3 times of y is equal to 18. We have taken x and y are two numbers. We need to find out the value of x and y. And again, thrice the first and twice the second is 17. Thrice the first, 3x plus 2y is equal to 17. So we have two equations here. Okay, 2x plus 3y is equal to 18 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 17. We have to solve these two in any method: substitution, elimination, cross multiplication. There are different methods by which you can solve this type of questions. Okay, so what are the different methods of solving this type of questions. We have many videos, we have already completed that topic. Okay, you can watch our previous videos and you can complete that. So let me solve it. Okay, from here 2x plus 3y is equal to 18 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 17. I just want to make the coefficient of any one, x or y, equal. So for that, let me multiply this equal to 2 and multiply this by 3. So when I multiply this equation, this full equation by 2, I will get 4x plus 6y is equal to 36. When I multiply this full equation by 3, I will get 9x plus 6y is equal to 51. Now what I am doing, I am subtracting the first from second. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5x and 6y we can cancel. 51 minus 36. 51 minus 36 equal to 15. So 5x is equal to 15. So x is equal to 15 by 5. So I got 3. X is equal to 3. I got the value of x. Put the value of x in any one of this equation to get the value of y. So let me put the value of x in the first equation. So we have 2x plus 3y is equal to 18. I got x is equal to 3. So 2 into 3, I'll get 6 plus 3y is equal to 18. So 3y will be equal to what? 3y will be 18 minus 6. So this will be 12. 3y is equal to 12. That means y is equal to 4. So I got the value of y equal to 4. So two numbers are x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. We need to find out which is the larger of these two. The larger of these two is 4. So accordingly you can mark the correct option as number 4.